Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to be making some amazing shortbread cookies. Shortbread cookies are also known as butter cookies because of the high butter content. Into a large bowl, I'm going to place my 2 cups or 300 grams of flour. I am using all-purpose flour for my recipe today. In many countries, all-purpose flour is called plain flour. And then I'm going to put in my butter. This is salted butter, and this is 200 grams. So this is 1 cup of butter minus 2 tablespoons. It's just slightly less than 1 cup. And then 100 grams of granulated white sugar, a half a cup. And that's it for the recipe. So we'll just get in here and mix this up with our hand mixer. So you just want to continue breaking all the butter down until it's in pea-sized pieces. Okay, that looks good. So you can see all of the butter has been broken down and we have very small little pea-sized pieces in there, and that's exactly what you want, just like that. I'll bring in my baking pan. So I'm just going to show you this. So when you lift this up and you squeeze it, it should come together like this. It's like sand, like wet sand. And this is exactly what you want to see. Just like that. I have lined my pan with parchment paper, and this is 9 inches square or 23 centimeters square. And then all we have to do is just get this into our pan. And when the butter melts, it turns this into an amazing cookie. And we're going to get a really nice crumbly texture. And just take it, push it all into the corners. You want to just get everything nice and even. And then you just want to flatten it all out. Perfect. And now I'm going to place my shortbread into a 300-degree Fahrenheit oven, which is 149 degrees Celsius. And total bake time will be about 50 minutes. Hey everybody, I am back. My shortbread has been baked, and I baked it for a total of 50 minutes, 50. So now, I just want to get my little score marks here. So I'm going to do in the middle here, right about, I want to get this accurate. You have to do this while these are still warm. These have just come out of the oven about maybe not even 5 minutes ago. I just want to make sure that's a nice break in there. That's good. You have to cut these while they are still hot. I think that looks good. And now, if you want really large ones, you can cut right down the middle. But I'm going to do thirds. That looks good. 1 bite of these and you are going to fall in love. As an optional step, I've got a little bit of white granulated sugar. And you can just sprinkle it on. This is a nice little final step on these cookies. As little or as much as you want. So by adding it while they are still hot, it's just going to get that sugar to slightly melt and stick to the top of the cookie. I think that's pretty good, just like that. So now we have to let these completely cool, then I'll come back and we'll break into one. Our cookies are finally cool, so now we can go in and try one out. So let's just go, I'll just pick one. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh, now I gotta make sure I'm on camera here. Let me turn this so you can see. Perfectly baked. Now there should be a nice little snap. These are very crumbly cookies. That's the way they're supposed to be. Watch this. Oh yeah. Look at that. See how they just crumble? Amazing. Let me go in for a bite. So good. Wow. I love shortbread. They are by far my favorite cookie. So good. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, I'm also over there at BakeLikeAPro. Try these cookies out. You're going to love them. I guarantee it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Going in for another bite. Oh. So good. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.